Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel, guys. And actually, today in this video, let's now here you can see here's the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 is here. Let's now we are going to do a teardown only of this tablet. Just now we are going to do an disassembling of this tablet. Just now we are going to open it up now, actually. Okay, before that, actually, this tab is a 7-inch tablet which it is a TFT display only, and there's a dual core 1.2 GHz processors there, and there's a 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of internal storage is there, plus Wi-Fi only. Actually, there is no SIM slot, it seems. Actually, yes, there's no SIM slot, it's Wi-Fi only. Okay, let's come on now. It's now time to do a teardown of this tablet, and let's see what are the things were there inside. And okay, let's come on. It's now time to open this back case panel now. Okay, where is it? Yeah, actually you can see from here we can able to start, it seems. Oops, it just got locked. Came. Likewise, we need to remove just slowly. Okay. Just I will pass this video and I will resume it back, guys. Actually, it will take some time only. Actually, you can see finally we are taking this out now. Still, there is some tightnesses there. Okay, and it came actually. Yeah, it came. Finally, we have removed this back case actually. Just keep this aside. Let's see here. Actually, you can see finally we have removed this back case, and there's a camera module is there. I think this is a 3.15 MP camera resolution module, and there's a front camera is also there. I think it's VGA only 1.3 MP. Okay, and here you can see here's the battery, and it seems it's a 4000 mAh battery. This we need to remove the screws first. Actually, inside this I need to I need to change this tip. Okay, now I need to remove all the screws first. We can take this battery out now. Okay, and here is there. Okay, it will take some time. Just I'll pass this video. Okay, finally I have removed all these batteries. Let's go on. It's now time to take this out. Just we need to handle with care. Just take this out. Actually, this is an inbuilt battery, guys. It's not a removable battery. It's an inbuilt battery only. I can see. Yeah, we have taken this plug also. We have removed this connector also. You can see. And here's the pins for this battery. Actually, you can see here's this pin. Just we need to connect it right here like this. If you need to connect means actually this is a 4000 mAh battery, it seems. Yeah, of Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 battery is here. You can see it's good. It's a lithium ion battery only, seems. Okay, made in Malaysia, assembled in Vietnam. Yeah, you can see here's the 4000 mAh. I'm right. You can see it's a 4000 mAh battery, and I think it's a manufacturing date 29/2013. Actually, it's good. Okay, let's keep this battery aside. And what are the things they have given? Okay, I think there's some codes they have given here, just got printed here. Okay, let's come on. Now we need to remove this and all, remove these things, so only we can able to take this motherboard outside actually. Okay, finally we have removed all the screws, but anyway, just we need to remove this frame, so only we can able to view this motherboard, it seems. Okay, let's go on. I think the front screen is just coming out, it seems. It's came. Yeah, it's came. You can see the front top cover layer of the screen, just we have removed it out successfully. You can see here's the Samsung branding is there actually. Okay, just keep this aside, and now let's go on. It's now time to remove this out now. Yeah, here you can see here's the display. Finally we have detached this from here actually. You can see finally we have removed this display also. And let's, you can see here's the motherboard. Yeah, it's came, seems. Think actually you can see there is a white powder is coming actually from this tablet. Actually, I don't know whether it is a degraded frame adhesive tape or any disintegrated plastics were there, or there is any leaked lithium, but I think there is no leak in lithium, since there is some kind of degraded frame adhesive is there, it seems. Okay, let's come on. Now we need to remove these side frames actually. It came out. Okay, yeah, come on. Finally we have removed this side frame also, but we need to remove this thing also, so only we can able to see what the things were there inside. Actually, in Samsung tablet, it's just kind of a bit how can I say, there is no more screws, it's just got molded things were there in lot of places actually. Okay, finally I will remove the screws and all, and you can see here's the motherboard. Actually, there's screws there here also. Just I need to remove this also. And you can see finally we have just opened this out now. Actually, it just got broken anyway, you can see. And here they're using a Marvel processor actually. It's a dual core processor which they're using here in this motherboard, and there is a Samsung flash memory is also there actually, which is an official Samsung flash memory chip actually this is. And then okay, and you can see here's the camera module is there actually. Just take this out. You can see here's the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 camera module, rear camera module actually. Just keep this aside, and you can see here's the front camera module is there actually. Just we need to take this out now. Actually, just oops, it just got completely broken. Just take this, and then you can see here's the camera actually. Just we need to take this out. Yeah, finally I have taken this camera module out. You can see here's the front camera module of this Galaxy Tab. Okay, that's it. Finally we have removed all of these things actually, and there's a jack is there actually here. You can see here's the jack actually. Here's the buttons which it just got placed here, it seems. You can see okay, that's it. Finally we have removed all of these things. Actually, you can see here's the Galaxy Tab 3. Finally we have completed this teardown. And okay, and guys, okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. We'll see you in next video.